Hi friends, today I'm going to be making savory French toast. Our family called it Tamago-Pan. This is actually my father's favorite breakfast. My mother used to make it only for my father. Because I'm the oldest in 4 siblings, she had no time to make this French toast for all the family members, so we just ate the toast. It was my dream to eat savory French toast every morning, so now it's a special menu for me. My parents had passed away already, but before Mother's Day, my memories came back to me and I make it for their memories. Let's get started. You will need only few ingredients. Beat 1 egg with a pinch of salt. Soak a piece of Japanese Shokupan white bread in the whole milk. Coat the bread with the egg. Heat a pan on medium-low heat. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan and pan-fry the bread for 3 minutes covered. Flip it over and add some bacon and snow pea or any vegetables you have on your hand and cook another 3 minutes. When you touch the center and it bounces back, it's cooked. Transfer to a serving dish and it's done. I don't know where my mother get these recipes from, but it's good to soak in milk before coating with the egg. The inside of the bread is like a pudding and so soft. And the butter and bacon add richness to it. It tastes good as it is, but it goes well with tomato sauce. It's easy to make and gives you the energy to start the day. And it's good for the Mother's Day breakfast. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.